In today's video, I'm gonna be trying the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Clay Shampoo Bar, and this is my first time using it. In case you're wondering, my hair is not blonde. This is just old footage that I didn't get to post, so I decided to post the video anyway. So yeah. So basically, I'm starting by rubbing the soap on my scalp. At first, it wasn't really working until I started to add a lot more water as I went. So I suggest if you use this to have like a spray bottle, or I mean, unless you're doing it in the shower, but I didn't want to do it in the shower because I wanted you guys to see. This is what my hair looks like after washing the product out. Now I'm going to go ahead and condition my hair using the Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Conditioner, and then I'm going to style it. This conditioner smells so good, you guys. Like, everything in this line, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil, smells amazing. Now I'm going to be using the Strengthen and Restore Smoothie for my styling product, and then I will show you guys the results. Here are the results. It had my hair feeling super soft, and I love the results. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in my next video.